Go.
There are two ways that bones can form within the body, either by endochondral ossification or intramembranous ossification. Intramembranous ossification, which is also called dermal ossification, occurs before birth or while the baby is still in the womb. This type of ossification creates flat or dermal bones, which include the facial bones and cranial bones, and also the clavicle. There are 4 stages in intramembranous ossification. The first stage is when the ossification center is formed. In the middle of collagen fibers, mesenchymal cells, which are also known as embryonic cells, cluster together to become osteoblasts, which are the green cells. The osteoblasts come together with osteoids, the small pink dots, to create the ossification center. The ossification center is where new bone matrix will be developed. This completes the first stage of this process. The second stage creates the bone matrix, which is newly calcified. Osteoblasts secrete osteoids that will solidify into the bone matrix within the first couple of days. Osteoblasts that are trapped in the calcified bone become osteoclasts, and they are the pink cells. This completes this stage and now leaves only 2 more. In stage 3, the periosteum and bone are both formed. Mesenchymal cells that were left in the collagen fibers condense and begin the process of becoming the periosteum. The periosteum is the outer protective layer that surrounds the entire bone in all the bones in the body. As osteoids are laid down between the blood vessels, it creates trabeculae, which is a network that allows the blood vessels to intertwine in the spongy bone from top to bottom. The bone that is created is the inner spongy bone, which is softer than the outer compact bone, thus leaving only 1 more stage. In stage 4, red bone marrow and compact bone are created. Osteoblasts attach themselves to the outer edge of the hard, compact bone, which is just underneath the newly connected fibrous periosteum. Within the compact bone is vascularized spongy bone. It is vascularized because of the strands of blood vessels and red bone marrow that had formed. This completes the 4th stage and ends the intramembranous ossification process. Thank you for watching my video, and please see the citation down in the description.